Alright guys, want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year. Anyway, we got the Rustler out next because you guys in the comments keep saying, where's the Rustler? Well, here it is. We're running 4S, we're running stock motor, Badlands. Let's see how much punishment this thing can take.
It's never going to survive a Kev though, is it?
Two-wheel drive is so hard to control, especially at 4S. How many backflips do you reckon it can do? Ready?
2.
Oh!
Oh! Just that.
Oh! Jesus Christ! Did you get that?
I think so.
Oh my God! What happened? What happened?
Oh my God! That...
Oh! Oh my God! Oh, what happened?
It's dead.
It smashed the whole. Oh! Smashed the chassis off. Smashed the ESC off. Oh no! Look at what's done to the body clip.
Oh! Oh my God!
Alright, so if we go back and have a look at the footage in slow motion, you can see there's actually this jump here that broke it. Boom! Splits the chassis. At this point, I knew it was broken, but I didn't realise it was the chassis. I thought maybe an A-arm or something had a split in it, but boom! And that was it. That finished it off. You have a look at that again from the other camera angle. There you go. That's what bust it. And this is what finished it. Just ripped all these wires out of the speed controller. Oh man, that was just carnage. Subscribe!